Hi, today I'm running POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So, for example, now by double press the power key we can launch the camera app. For example, if you want to change it to launch the flashlight or the Google Assistant, you should first open the settings, then scroll down to additional settings. After that, click to gesture shortcuts, click here to launch camera, tap to the switcher to turn off this option, go back and click to turn on torch. Now just tap to the switcher and now by double press to the power key we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. Just to turn it off, click twice to the power key button once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.